the land of mountains that touch the sky and dense forests full of mystery. But hidden within this beauty lies a wild world where every second is an unrelenting struggle between life and death. Where wild nature reveals both its wonder and its harshness, from tropical forests to the highest peaks on Earth. Every creature here stands as a testament to the power and resilience of nature. Yet in this world, a single mistake can cost an entire life. Beneath the dense shadow of the Chitwan jungle, every leaf stirs slightly as a great Bengal tiger stalks in silence. Its striped coat, perfectly designed, allows it to merge with the shadows, turning it into a phantom of the natural world. With each step, its piercing eyes lock firmly on its target, an unsuspecting deer grazing without sensing the danger nearby. The Bengal tiger is the supreme predator of this region. It does not hunt in haste, but waits for the perfect moment. From the undergrowth, it bursts forth at 60 kilometers per hour, executing a precise leap that brings down its prey in seconds. But every meal comes at a great energetic cost. A failed hunt can condemn the tiger to days of hunger. Beyond hunting, Bengal tigers are fierce protectors of their territory. A male typically controls a vast area, marking it with scent and signs. When another male intrudes, a brutal confrontation is inevitable. But Bengal tigers are not only warriors, they are also devoted mothers. After giving birth, the tigress hides her cubs in a deep cave, spending months caring for them and teaching their first lessons of survival, from how to stalk and hunt to how to defend themselves against other predators. Although the Bengal tiger is the undisputed king of the Chitwan jungle, it is not free from challenges. Scarcity of food, competition with other species, and the threats posed by humans turn its existence into a constant struggle for survival. On the steep cliffs of the Himalayan range, as icy winds sweep across the snow-covered slopes, the fleeting silhouette of a snow leopard appears, only to vanish again. This is the most mysterious creature of the high mountains, a predator with extraordinary skills. With its thick grey coat adorned with black rosettes, the snow leopard blends almost perfectly into its surroundings. It lives at altitudes above 3,000 meters, where the air is thin and the extreme cold forces most creatures to retreat. But with its powerful body and agile paws, the snow leopard crosses rugged, rocky slopes with ease. Its favorite prey are Himalayan mountain goats and blue sheep. From above, it studies the herd, selects the most vulnerable target, and launches with staggering speed. Every leap of the snow leopard is a flawless display of strength and precision. However, not every hunt is successful. If its prey escapes, the snow leopard may face days of hunger, for in this hostile environment, finding food is an immense challenge. Beyond hunting, the snow leopard must also defend its territory. It marks its range with scent, generally avoiding direct conflict with others. But when the moment demands it, it will fight fiercely, determined to hold its place in these unforgiving mountains. Though it leads a solitary life, the snow leopard is locked in a constant struggle for survival. Every step it takes along the Himalayan cliffs is a testament to its resilience and its ability to adapt to one of the harshest environments on Earth. In the darkness of the Tarai forest, the sound of footsteps echoes through the undergrowth. A one-horned rhinoceros appears, a creature both majestic and strangely unique, with its thick, armor-like segmented skin. The rhinoceros, rarely seen, spends most of its time foraging for food. It moves slowly among the rocks and forest, consuming up to 100 kilos of grass and plants each day. When it feels tired, it seeks refuge in the shade and water, or submerges itself in lotus ponds to rid its body of parasites. Though generally peaceful, when it comes to self-defense, a rhinoceros can become a formidable adversary, charging with great force and wielding its horn. And if a tiger or a crocodile lurks nearby, the herd must know how to move safely through the forest and how to find food. These lessons are essential to ensure the survival of future generations of rhinos. Beneath the calm waters of the Rati River, a pair of eyes breaks the surface. It is the gharial crocodile, a remarkable species with its long snout and sharp teeth, perfectly designed for hunting. Unlike other crocodiles, the gharial does not hunt large prey. Its elongated snout allows it to seize fish with astonishing precision. With each swift movement of its body, it can snatch small fish within seconds. The gharial spends most of its life in the water, blending into the current as it waits for prey. But when the sun reaches its peak, it hauls itself onto the sandy banks to bask, lying motionless like a drifting log. The breeding season is the most fascinating time for this species. Adult males emit deep, resonant calls to attract females, while the females dig nests in the sandy riverbanks to lay their eggs. Yet even within the nest, the eggs face countless dangers. Birds of prey, snakes, and other animals are constant threats. The Rapti River is the perfect stage for the life of the gharial. With each sweep of its tail and every precise dive, it reveals its prowess and extraordinary ability to adapt in the natural world. High among the dense canopies of the Himalayas, a small creature with a distinctive reddish coat moves in silence. The red panda, also known as the lesser panda, is one of Nepal's most adorable, yet most enigmatic animals. With its compact body, thick fur to keep warm, and a long tail that helps it balance, the red panda is a master of climbing and survival in the heights of the forest. It spends most of its life in the trees, where it finds food and stays safe from ground predators. Its diet is varied, but mainly consists of bamboo leaves, berries, and at times bird eggs or insects. With sharp claws, it clings firmly to tree trunks, even while moving across the thinnest, most fragile branches. As night falls, the red panda curls into itself, using its long tail as a blanket to keep warm. It is in these moments that it becomes most vulnerable, while predators, such as the snow leopard, prowl beneath the trees, waiting for the chance to strike should the red panda lower its guard. Yet, thanks to its agility in climbing, the red panda usually finds refuge before danger comes too close. The breeding season marks a special moment in the life of the red panda. Females give birth to between 1 and 4 cubs, nestled deep inside well-hidden tree hollows. Mothers care for their young with great devotion, feeding them, teaching them how to climb and search for food. But not every cub survives the harsh Himalayan winter. Only the strongest manage to overcome the challenges of nature. When the sun begins to sink behind the towering Himalayas, darkness cloaks the forests and wide grasslands. Our journey through Nepal's wilderness reaches its end, but the stories of the creatures that live here continue every day. From the majesty of the Bengal tiger, the mystery of the snow leopard, and the strength of the one-horned rhinoceros, to the skill of the gharial crocodile and the nimbleness of the red panda. Each species holds within it a story of instinct, struggle, and survival. Nepal is not only a land of breathtaking landscapes, but also a sanctuary for unique animals that have adapted to some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Their presence reminds us of the importance of protecting these creatures in a world that is ever-changing. Our adventure concludes here, but the wild heart of Nepal continues to write new stories, where life and death intertwine in a magnificent symphony of the untamed.